Hey guys, welcome back. It's still me, Michael, your host. Today I'm in my kitchen and I'm going to show you guys a pretty simple and easy way to clean the bottom of your refrigerator, like I'm going to call it the vent, where there's a bunch of airflow. And so it's down here, and so we're going to take that off today, and then I will show you guys what else we do with it. So I already I removed screws from each side. So one was right there and the other one was right there. And then now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna place my screws up on the counter there. And I used a handy dandy screwdriver to take those out. And what we're gonna do now is take this thing off and we're gonna bring it over to the sink and spray it off. I'm gonna just rinse that or squeeze that out first. So we're just gonna give it a little shower on top, on the front side. And I'm gonna turn it over, try to get the back side as well. And all that dust and everything is coming right off. So that's a pretty simple and easy way to clean the front of your refrigerator. And then I'm going to place it on the counter for later, and we're just going to dry it off with that after a little bit. But also I want to show you guys something else. So underneath here is the bottom of the refrigerator. Still needs a little work. So what I'm gonna do is, how to clean that is, I'm gonna take my vacuum cleaner and suck the stuff out of there, out of the bottom. So the airflow of it is nice and clean, so you don't have to keep on buying vacuum cleaners all the time. So, all right, I'm just gonna set up my vacuum. So I got a plug in right here that I'm gonna use. Plug that in. And then, let's see here, I'm gonna turn the camera around. And then I'm not gonna use the bottom of it, but I'm gonna use this. So I'm gonna take this part and pull it up. And I should actually take all this off of there. So then it's more mobile. See, turns into a nice little hose there. And what I'm gonna do is turn this on, and I'm gonna start over here and go over to that side. So I'm gonna set it up here. Hopefully you guys can see it. Okay, so there's the bottom of the vacuum, or the refrigerator. I'm gonna turn it on so it's gonna get loud. Okay. Take this and move it along the edges. And suck up all that dust and everything else in there. there we have it. It's clean underneath there now. And you know, to be honest with you, so we've had this vacuum for like, or the vacuum again, no. The refrigerator for like 6 years. And I can honestly tell you that it's probably been cleaned out from underneath there probably 3 times. Please don't wait that long to clean it. So that's like once every 2 years that it's cleaned. So today I showed you guys a pretty simple and easy way to keep that fresh and clean underneath your refrigerator. Take off that front vent, unscrew the 2 screws first, clean that off, take the vacuum cleaner and suck all the dust and everything else from underneath there, and you'll be good to go for a little while longer. Not 2 years though, okay? All right guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and always remember, be kind. Bye.